Hi guys, welcome back to 99 days 99 percentile. So one common questions that students ask is, should I have a fixed daily slot during my preparation journey? यार इसमें my simple answer अगर खत्म करना हो one word answer is yes. And what should that slot be? The easiest answer is it should be 8:30 to 10:30, 12:30 to 2:30, 4:30 to 6:30. मतलब 3 slots if you can get. Now if you're one of those who's either in college or working and you can't get all 3, even if you can get 4:30 to 6:30 it will be great. But if you're working on all these 3 slots कि भैया घर से मैं निकल जाता हूँ 8 8:30 and I come back home only at 7:38, then yes, that's going to be a problem. Then at least on Saturday Sunday try and study in this slot. Another piece of recommendation here would be in this slot of 8:30 to 10:30, because it's going to be a 2-hour slot, study in such a way that 8:30 to 9:10 you're going ahead and doing VARC, 9:10 to 9:50 you're doing DLR, 9:50 to 10:30 you're doing quant, back to back. Build up that stamina. How do I perform in quant when quant is the third section and I've already gone through a torturous VARC section wherein I couldn't understand 2 RCs, maybe gone through a very difficult DLR section जहाँ दो DLR पल्ले नहीं पड़े and stuff like that. So that might be the right way of going about it. Same thing if you're doing it from the 12:30 to the 2:30 slot, 12:30 to 1:10 should be VARC, 1:30 to 1:50 should be DLR, 1:50 to 2:30 should be quant, and exactly the replica when you're doing it in the third slot of 4:30 to 6:30. So 40 minute के slots लेके पढ़ो and build up that stamina. So my recommendation is, if you can't do it every single day, at least try to do it 2 to 3 times a week when you're studying in these specific slots. One last piece of advice is, try your level best to interchange, because you do not have your admit card at this point in time and you'll only get it say about 3 weeks before the actual CAT. You will not have enough time to take or practice your performance in that particular mock. So at this point in time, with about 2.5 months to go, do that every single day. That means किसी एक दिन 8:30 to 10:30 कर दिया, next day 12:30 to 2:30 कर दिया, last day 4:30 to 6:30 कर दिया, ताकि you're getting used to all 3 slots. I think this is something that might hold you in good stead from an intangibles perspective.